Let me show you how to connect X Ads to Claude for powerful ad performance analysis. I'll grab the MCP server URL from InsightfulPipe. In Claude settings, I'll navigate to connectors and add a custom connector with the X Ads MCP URL. With a connector set up, I'll start a new chat and ask Claude for an X Ads performance report evaluating account momentum, campaign, and ad level outcomes. I'm requesting core metrics like spend, impressions, engagement rate, CPC, CPA, and conversions, plus creative performance, audience and keyword targeting, placement and device trends, and geographic results. Claude is now assembling comprehensive performance data. It's querying the X Ads account and gathering metrics across multiple dimensions. The presentation. The campaign performance breakdown shows the KOL partnership campaign driving 85% of impressions and 93% of conversions, with all core metrics performing above industry benchmarks. The report includes actionable optimization recommendations. Scale the KOL partnership budget by 25%, implement geo-bid modifiers for top-performing states, and add social engagement CTAs to diversify engagement types.